Hey guys, it's Heather. It's been a minute since I've been thrift shopping, but I wanted to update my style a little bit and we wanted to get some jorts, flannels. I ended up getting a few t-shirts as well, but let me show you guys what we got. I'm pretty excited. It's a pretty big haul. Usually when I go thrifting, I only find like a few items, but I actually found a lot of things today from my perspective. It's a lot from my perspective, but yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys. Should we start off with shirts? We got, okay, so my shirts are gonna be like kind of memey. They're not like for style purposes. My flannels are more for that. These are kind of like my sleep/hangout shirts, but they are part of what I bought today, so I wanted to include them in the haul for you guys. But yeah, we got Rick and Morty shirt. I think it's from Old Navy. But yeah, I think it's super memey. really funny. And like usually with graphic tees, I don't really pick these up from like a lot of thrift stores just because like the graphic and design usually is like crinkly or worn out, but this seems new. It almost feels like somebody got gifted this shirt and they're like, nah, I'm good. But I like it, so you know, somebody else's trash is another man's treasure. I liked the color of this one, and same kind of deal. This one, I think it comes crinkly, like it's supposed to be like that kind of crinkle text design stuff. Very soft shirt. I feel like this might just be like the perfect camp by the fire shirt to throw on, and it's got Colorado on it, so it's cute. This one's kind of like the Rick and Morty one. The graphic is definitely more worn down, but how can you pass this up? Like, it's so, I like it. I don't know. This next one is more so my boyfriend's pick than mine. I know nothing about D&D, Dungeons and Dragons, but he thought it was cute that it said Eldritch Sugar Baby. I don't even know what that means, but yeah. But the graphic, oh my god. Okay, same kind of deal. I think somebody got gifted this and they were like, nah, because it looks like brand new. The graphic is totally still like in really good shape. But I don't know, I thought it was kind of funny, so I was like, sure, we'll get it. That is it for my shirts, well, t-shirts. Now I got some flannels. Here's the first one. How do we feel? This is a tall large though, and it is like, it's big. Look at that, look at that. It goes down pretty far, but like, I don't know, it's cute. It's Eddie Bauer. I think I have another Eddie Bauer one in here. Yeah, here's another Eddie Bauer one. We're about the green vibes. Green vibes is good. We got this one. I think the color is really cute. I don't normally go for like yellow things, but I feel like it's kind of like working with my skin tone and stuff. And like the whole point is that I'm gonna start wearing flannels and jorts because that's the look I'm into right now. It's more like laid back, outdoorsy girl, and that's my vibes right now. And so I think this fits the vibes. On the same note, we got this one. I don't know how I feel like on the hanger. It looks cool, but like, I don't know. Here, let me just put it on for you. We'll put this one on. Like what? How do we feel? Is the color nice? Do we like this color? Yeah? She slaying? She good? She cute? It's like a little dark. I think that's what throws me off a little bit. Like these other ones, you know what? Let's just throw this one on too. I can't help myself. I've only tried these on in the store, like over whatever I was wearing. So haven't tried it on with like a tank top or anything yet. This is how I would dress it, pretty much, like a tank top or like a little like mini top, and then, you know, this over it with my new jorts. Okay, honestly, I like this color too, but maybe the other one actually looks better. Maybe this one was just in theory that it looked cute. What do you guys think? I like it. I like it. It's fine. Alrighty, on to the last one. This one's a short sleeve. We're just gonna put it on because we're already putting on everything else anyway. All right. What do we think? This one's a little bit different for sure. It's smaller. Like, let me get my tippy toes for you guys. Yeah, it doesn't like go that far down, but I think she's kind of cute. Yeah, I like it. But yeah, that is it for all the shirts. I'm a big fan of everything I got. You guys get the vibes, right? Very earthy, very, what do you call it? Backyardigan? Is that what we want to call it? It's very like Colorado. I wouldn't call it like lumberjack. I don't know, mountainous. But yeah, that's the vibes. Now is the fun part. I think I will try on the pants just to show you guys like what's going on. First, I'm gonna show you the ones that don't need to be DIY'd. This is Volcom. I've been into like jorts, baggy, long, boyish. I just like how it contradicts with my actual, because I feel like this is giving girly, the long hair, you know, makeup and all, and then I kind of like clashing it with like the boyish style. Like that's what I'm into. And so I got these are Volcom. I've never owned anything from Volcom. Apparently these are surf and turf, so a little bit of steak, a little bit of lobster, 4-way stretch. They're so freaking soft. Whoever owned these, they like warming for me because they feel nice, but like everything is still intact. Like no coochie is ripping, booty is still bootying. Yeah, it's all good. Sometimes the pants at thrift stores, you really gotta check them for holes. And you also need to like check the pockets to make sure like they're okay. And like these pants passed. Like I'm just like, who would give these up? Maybe if you like outgrow them, but one butt pocket buttons, the other one doesn't. I don't even know what that means. Like why would you need that? Like I need a guy to enlighten me on why you need that for your pants. I think something about a wallet, a phone, and keys. Like every guy I've met has his arrangement order. Maybe I will have mine too once I don't really use pockets because in girl pants, they hate us. They don't want us to carry anything. But maybe they don't hate us. Maybe they love us and that's their way of being like, queen, you don't have to carry anything. But like, yeah, no, these have pockets, good pockets, great pockets actually. I like, okay, the texture of the pockets though, like do you guys see that? Like this meshness. Can I go in water in these? Is that what they mean by surf and turf? Like, should these be my lakeside shorts now? Yeah, she kind of slays. I kind of like it. It is a little bit baggy. It's a little big, but what are we gonna do? It's thrifted. Nothing's gonna fit me perfectly, especially guy shorts. Like, no. I'm very petite, even in women's clothes, so, but I like it. I like the vibes. It's soft as hell, so. Yes, we had a cop. Yay for Volcom. Now we are on to the jeans. All of these jeans are actually gonna be cut into jorts. I'm just gonna show them to you real quick. And then the last bit of our video is actually gonna be a little bit of like a DIY tutorial where I show you guys the pants before and the pants during. I'll show you guys how I make the jorts and then the pants after, because I change my style like literally yearly. I didn't want to go to like Levi's or something and buy their actual jorts for like, I think it was like 60 something bucks. Like, I don't know. That's a little much for me to like not wear them anymore. And so we're gonna make our own. All of these jeans did not fit me. Here's how these look on me. They're very big, very baggy, very long. This is like a regular fit 32 by 32. If I'm really gonna try and wear like a guy's pants, I need like a 28 to like 30 maximum. this is 32, so this is pushing it a little bit. To make it fit right now, I saw this on like TikTok or whatever, some influencer. She buys like a magnetic like button thing that she can like, or not magnetic, I think it's like a pin, but she like puts it on here so that you can go ahead and just like loop this on there. I think that's really smart, and I'm gonna work on ordering that. But for now, like I haven't done my research yet. So to try on the pants, I basically take this button, the original button, loop it through this, I don't know, the belt strap, and then we go ahead and button it like that. And that's kind of how we make it like fit a little bit. Of course the coochie's gonna be like kind of weird, but like who cares? Who cares? I'm wearing this with like baggy oversized shirts usually anyway, and this is what we're gonna do to make do for now. But yeah, otherwise like the waist on these don't fit me, and so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like how these are fitting right now because I'm doing that trick. But yeah, double checked for holes and everything. These are Lee's, not Levi's, Lee's. I've never bought pants from Lee's before. I don't really know what brand that is, but their jeans feel good. And I mean, hopefully they hold up. They felt so good and they looked so good that I picked up another one, but in black. I think it's the same person because it's another 32 by 32. Whoever like donated these Lee's jeans, thanks, they're mine now. Same kind of deal. Here's what they look like on. Also have to do the pant loop trick thing, you know, that's just how it goes. But yeah, of course they fit like very similar to the last ones. They are very long, very big. Gotta do the loop trick, you know, same thing but in black, because I didn't want to get too many like jean colors because I'm gonna cut them, and so I didn't want it to be like, oh my god girl, are you wearing the same pants all the time? But these two are such like different drastic colors that it's fine. And for jorts, you need it to be like hard jean, not like the soft, you know, jegging kind of vibes. I don't even know if people wear jeggings anymore or if that's even a thing, but you know what I'm talking about, like soft jeans. We don't want that. We don't want that here. We want hard jeans. Whoever gave these away, Mr. Lee's, he wore these in, and so we're fine. It's hard, but it's warm, and that's what we were going for. Oof, we're just throwing them behind me. Last pair, oh my god, these are actually women's. Okay, just for reference, I usually wear like a size 2 in pants if I want them to like fit. If I want them to be a little bit like baggy-ish, I'll go for like a 4. These are 8, so they're really baggy, but for some reason they just work. Like I initially thought I was going to like jorts these or whatever, but I think I might just keep them because they fit right. They're doing the thing. I don't know. The one thing I will say about them though, let me stand up to show you guys this. The bottom, I don't know if someone already DIY'd this or if it just comes like that, but do you guys see that? That's like throwing me off a little bit because it tapers at the bottom, but like what is going on here? Why did you sew it like that? Because like when you wear it and like it's front facing like this, you can see the seam, so it kind of just, it looks a little bit interesting. When I put it on, do you guys see it? Like, is it even noticeable? I don't know. When I tried it on the thrift store, I was like, there might be a possibility that I just leave these the way they are because they're like baggy, cute, slaying. But also like if I cut these into jorts, it would eliminate, would it really? I would cut it like this, so, oh no, I would, is that how you cut it? Fuck. I think I'm gonna cut it like this. Yeah, so it might eliminate whatever's going on right here. I don't know, but maybe we like it. Maybe it's unique. So I'm gonna debate on these ones. I'm not necessarily gonna cut them into jorts right away. I might just wear them the way they are. Plus. You know what I said earlier about same color jeans, if I cut them both into jorts, they'll look the same? Tell me not. I should face them both front ways. Tell me not. They're kind of the same jean color, so we might not want to anyway. I don't know. These are also Old Navy. Maybe this is the person that also gave away their Rick and Morty shirt. But these do give me DIY. I don't know. Maybe they came like that, Old Navy. Whatever. But yeah, so that's what the pants look like pre-DIY, pre-editing. Let me show you guys what we're gonna be doing with them. So we're basically gonna take the shorts, we're gonna put them on. Obviously we're gonna have to see like how long these we want. I kind of do want them like kind of long but not too long. I think I'm gonna cut them about like right here. And like I was watching videos where they cut it like this, or am I misremembering? Yeah, I think they cut it like slightly at an angle. And so I'll be doing that with one of them. And if I like it, then we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other one. Like I said, we're only really gonna cut the Lee's ones. So I'm just gonna show you guys real quick what we're doing, how we're cutting it. Straight across. This is the length that I like. And yeah. Okay, now that we have them cut, let's go ahead and try them on. Here is what they're looking like. First up, we got the black one. Yes? Are we feeling it? Is this the vibes? Is this the vibes? I feel like maybe the coochie area looks a little bit like what's going on here. But once I like look into like that clip button, magnetic button, whatever, I think maybe it will fit. Like, right? I don't know. We'll see. It's gonna work out regardless. If it doesn't look right, I'll just wear long baggy shirts over it anyway. Here's what the other one looks like. I mean, same thing. Same. It's 32 by 32, so still same coochie problem, but I don't know. I think it's a vibe. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But that is pretty much everything that we got today for our thrifting haul. Also did a little bit of a DIY for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video.